At 4:30, the Mississippi State Department of Health has issued a health alert, warning the public about an increase in whooping cough cases in the Magnolia State. As of July 10th, 80 cases have been reported so far this year. That is up from the 49 total cases for all of 2024. Thankfully, no deaths have been reported yet. While cases have been reported across the state, 40% were identified in northeast Mississippi. Whooping cough is a highly contagious respiratory disease that causes uncontrollable, violent coughs that make it hard to breathe. It's most commonly affecting infants and young children, and it can be deadly, especially in babies under 1 year old. According to the Department of Health, 76% of this year's cases have happened in children less than 18 years of age, including 7 cases with infants less than 2 months old.